2010 KFX 450R. Batteries were dying on me. Went and bought a brand new one, put it in there, charged it up, put it in there. Same thing. Rode it for about an hour and a half. It died. We recharged it. Same thing. It was just dying. The bike would kill when it was dead. So we went ahead and replaced the stator. Really no videos online anywhere have anything to do with removing the stator on this thing. Pretty simple. Pull all your bolts. I'll pull off the shifter first. Unloosen all your bolts. It pulls off. Definitely get something underneath it. It does leak a little oil. The stator then unbolts. There are 3 hex head bolts that come off. Magneto unbolts. Pretty self-explanatory, putting it all back together. Just literally bolt everything back on the same way that it came off. The torque spec on these is 9 foot-pounds, so I went ahead, did all that. A little bit of gasket on here, a little bit of gasket sealer. There's the new gasket on there. Make sure everything else is cleaned off before you put it back on, obviously. Then the wires just run up back into here. Everything is pretty much plug and play if you get a brand new stator. Really simple job. Again, there's just nothing online, on YouTube, anything, just explaining the stator. When you go to put your gears back in, there's a big one that goes in right here. Then you have to take this case off. We unbolt it anyways to get the whole stator case off. It just slides right back in there. Everything bolts back up.